Get him, Evie. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him, Evie. Get him. You get him. Uh-huh. Hey, Evie. No, that's not a horsey, Cooper. That's not a horsey.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, stop. That's not a horsey. That's your sweet baby sister. Oh, Cooper bonked. You bonked her head.
Are you okay, Al?
Cooper cries. Evie, no crying. Who's gonna be tougher, huh?